thing on me.
Instead of being really good friends and helping him get free.
You're all gonna die.
We'll let you go after the cable man leaves.
April's face to face with my pussy.
She's a pussy licker.
I'm not gonna kill John.
She's a
No,
carpet
this is a
muncher.
pussy licker.
I'm not gonna kill Spike. No.
Ah.
I'm not gonna kill Spike.
And Mulan said, "Oh, Mom,
I'm gonna kill Frank. Yeah,
you're
that's it.
filming, aren't you?"
I'm gonna kill Frank. And you wanna know why I'm gonna kill Frank? This is why.
Everyone's face to face with
Alright.
Mulan. I said, "Oh,
Alright.
look, she's face to face with my pussy." And Chris called her a pussy licker. And I said, "No, this is a pussy licker," and licked her. Hey, Mulan, you're fine.
Ah. Hold out your hand, Frank. That. Frank, hold out your hand. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in.
Now we
There we go. Ah, ah, ah.
Let me show you a demonstration of how you got his cuffs. Okay.
Obviously.
There's a fat man on a chair, handcuffed, because he won't shut the fuck up! And let me tell you something about this shit. I didn't do nothing, and no, I will not surrender you for a Frank! Did I ask you to?
The 2-year-old's throwing his little tantrum now.
Do I look something like that when I have a seizure?
No.
Oh.
I like kitties. Get out of here!
Here.
Here's some nice titties right here. No, I mean they're nice.
Dear, he's screaming and my head already hurts.
I didn't
And I
do it.
can't breathe over there because of smoke. Because there's no airflow. And the outside's not helping.
I'll cut you a deal, son.
I cut the cheese, Dad.
I'll cut you a deal. I'm gonna put this behind my back, and if you can choose the hand it's in, then I'll open it.
Okay. So if I
Tonight the
choose what
advertising-
hand it's in, I get to have my free hand.
Yes, you get to have your freedom.
And Rosie gets to have her life.
Oh.
She's got it.
No, I don't.
I wish I could do this.
Alright,
Hi, honey. I can't breathe over there, dear.
Cigarettes out now.
Yeah.
How do you think I feel? I was a smoker since I was 15 and
There's
been quit
still
smoking.
smoke in the air.
So which hand?
Meeny, miny, mo, catch a digger with his toe. If he hollers, throw him to the lions. Meeny. Oh!
It's not in his motherfucking hand. It's in his pants.
Ew! I'm gonna be handcuffed!
No, you didn't choose it.
Yeah, but you said you're going
In
to put
your
it in
hand. You
hands.
didn't put it in your hand, dear.
So,
You forfeit. Dear,
you
stop.
yeah.
You're just as bad as your freaking son.
Oh!
Over.
Over here.
I have a headache. And he keeps screaming.
I will
Because you are.
I will go and unhandcuff
Thank you.
him.
And if he doesn't behave himself, I'm going to clock him upside the head and send him out to the cat shed. Meow. And we are going to have to watch my pussy because she's guarding the door now.
Oh. Did you see that look?
Yeah, like that's really gonna help with the man who has the damn handcuff key.
Thomas, no,
I can't wrestle
Thomas?
anymore.
I see.
I'm not wrestling. I'm trying to get the key.
No, I can't.
Thomas,
I gave my word.
you
for my life.
roughhouse with him, and your ass is grass.
I have marijuana?
Not that kind of grass.
No, she's just getting off the rag and she wants some.
Talk about getting violated.
No, I just got the rag now. I don't want any because when I was on the rag, I wanted it. See, look, it's still. See what I mean?
Yes, I do.
That's even when they put the cigarette out, it's.
Sweltering.
There's somebody that put
That's
it
why
out.
there needs to be airflow by a fan or something. Even then, sometimes they're still dissipating smoke in there because there's no air.
Motherfucker! I wasn't doing it.
Thomas, do I need to kick your ass into the cat shed?
It's the man behind the It's the man behind the chair.
This is video of man in pain.
You mean child in pain?
It's Batman. It's cuts. It's cans. No, it's mom.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. You're not.
Thomas, there's somebody coming in. You put your pants back on right now.
Hey, you get the fuck away from me!
Thomas Theodore Carl! I swear I'm gonna lock you in a room somewhere.
Okay.
Of all the days to act like an ass.
No shit. What's up? What the fuck? You really are a son of a bitch.
Gee, sometimes I wish it.
You know my mother. Hello.
Stop it.
Come in.
I'm in the shower.
Sometimes I wish his grandmother came down last night.
Wait, it's only a part, Thomas.
Never mind.
It's just a
Push
part.
it apart.
Thomas, empty can. Might want to empty it out a little bit. Just a little bit
This
of
one's an
that.
empty can.
We have John Belushi Part 2.
Alright. Can. Oh!
He crushed it.
No, my son's just, trying to show off. Okay. Thomas.
Okay.
Come on in.
Alright, I think we're
Oh,
done.
my kitty went running because Thomas.
You alright?
Now don't mind him. He's just acting like a 2-year-old.